What is a Sunseeker predator?
Oh, where to start? Predator combines adrenaline, elegance, and aggressive style. High performance is unique. This iconic range of product was launched the very first time in 1994 at the London Boat Show. Predator has always been a reference. From the very first one in the market, any new model says something more to the industry. Predator is more than just a boat. She's a performer, delivering one-of-a-kind driving experience. A Sunseeker Predator is a true icon, the most recognized silhouette on the water.
So what's next for the Sunseeker Predator?
I'm very glad you asked. Presenting the new Sunseeker Predator 65.